Hello guys, and welcome back to the Commercial channel with me, Commercial Chris, here at VW Van Centre in Chelmsford. It's hard enough deciding which transport to go for, just a specification, but today I'm going to show you something a little bit more fast and furious. Sticking with your standard van is something you have to do. You can upgrade it however you wish. The Transporter, having winning the best medium van in its section this year at the awards, you can add lots of different extras to it, including these 20-inch wheels, as well as changing the grille on the front and the ABT front splitter as well. It's incredible 4-motion 2-litre 204 brake Transporter combi. We've changed the front grille to a nice gloss black finish, as well as that VW badge, just to make it pop that little bit more. A nice set of gloss finished side rails to the side of this Transporter, or any Transporter, just makes it look that little bit better and gives it a nice unique design to each vehicle. Also, having had this vehicle lowered by 30mm, we've also added a rear diffuser from ABT with the 4 exhausts for a stylish look, as well as this fantastic looking ABT spoiler as well, which looks great with the self-opening when you use the open button, as you can see, as well as adding on a little bit more black for a little more defining look for this particular model. In the back of these combis, it's extremely spacious, as you can see. Plenty of room for any adults or any children you may need to get in the back here, with even more room for anything else you might need to get in. Internal wise, you can stick with your normal cloth seats inside the T6.1, or you can even upgrade to the leatherette finish. You've got your 2 USB ports down below, or you can go for the upgraded sat nav to upgrade and make wireless Apple CarPlay as well, which we can talk about in another video. Just like the Panavan T6.1, it comes with adaptive cruise control and your automatic headlights and windscreen wipers, and even better, that heated front windscreen. This model had the heated seats put into it, which are fantastic for the winter times, just to warm you up that little bit faster. So which way do you go? It's totally up to you. By staying with your standard T6.1 or upgrading and putting on as many bits as you can. The fantastic fact about the Transporter, as millions have done before, you can do whatever you want to it and make it your own design. For me, I love the colour of this one and the way it looks.